Good day and welcome to Data Color Academy. My name is Jeff Watts. I'm a Senior Application Specialist with Data Color. And today's Tinter tip is on dispenser maintenance. Again, today we will be talking about maintaining your dispenser. The start to any good color matching or any good accurate match going out the door is making sure that your dispenser is able to dispense color accurately based on the formulas that you have. So again, maintenance is necessary to promote accuracy. Generally speaking, the better you maintain your dispenser, the less problems you're going to have with formulas, and you will also have many less mistints coming back to you if you have a maintenance program. And a maintenance program begins with a schedule. Um, this is a schedule that I have actually seen big cards hung on the dispenser where folks actually sign off to make sure that certain things are done. I've also seen people keep logbooks. Some tint rooms do it electronically, but irregardless of how you actually want to maintain your dispenser, it's important to make sure that you put it on a schedule and perform it regularly so that way you don't have to end up working on the dispenser for hours and hours, and also having people come in to maintain your dispenser, which ends up costing money in the end. So some guidelines included in maintenance, depending on the type of dispenser that you have. We're going to talk more about automatic dispensers as opposed to manual dispensers. Um, Canister filling and cleaning is important. The cleaning of filters is also important. Making sure that your nozzles are clean and free of dried pigment, as well as your nozzle hydration or humidification systems. Some models have a auto cap where there's a sponge in there that's has liquid in it to keep the tips moist. Other systems have a more complex humidification system that's more automated that pumps liquid past the actual nozzles to keep them moist as well. Calibration of the dispenser should be also checked and performed. Uh, the general rule of thumb here is that with calibration, you want to check your calibration often and then only calibrate when necessary. Your manufacturer can be very helpful in this. They may be able to supply a type of a container where you can actually go in and daily check the calibration of each of your independent canisters for colorant to make sure that it's dispensing what it's supposed to dispense. An example of this would be to have a 1-ounce cup where you could put underneath each nozzle, dispense 1 ounce, make sure that it's coming out within a plus or minus of that particular ounce. And that way you know that before the shift or the day begins, that your dispenser is dispensing accurately. You'll also know if you do this on a regular basis, whether or not a particular canister is going to either need cleaned or calibrated in order to rectify the problems that you're seeing if it doesn't spec check calibration amount correctly. Regular purging schedule of your colorants is also necessary, especially these days where most folks have moved or are moving to low VOC colorants. That's prevalent in the market today. The problem with low VOC colorants is the fact that they dry out very, very quickly, especially in areas where you have high heat and low humidity, like the Southwest of the United States. So it's important to make sure that purging is done on a regular basis. There are automatic purge programs with dispensers. These work best if they're available so that you can purge a few times a day. And in some areas, it may be necessary to purge more than that or purge colors that haven't been used on a regular basis before you dispense with those colorants. Again, this applies especially when you're dealing with the dispensing of small sample sizes. The best bet here with maintenance is make sure to check with your manufacturer, both your dispenser manufacturer and your colorant manufacturer, because they'll be able to help you and advise you on the best ways to be able to take care of that particular dispenser and that dispenser with the combination of colorants that your company is using. If you would like more information, please sign up at Data Color Academy to view more Tinter Tip webinars. You can also follow us on the Data Color blog. I'd like to thank you for your time. I hope this was of value to you, and please have a great day.